Welcome back to ZK Sky Bound Aviation, the ultimate destination for luxurious automotive innovations, futuristic motorhomes, and next-generation vehicles that redefine travel and comfort. Today, we take you on an exclusive and detailed journey into the world of the 2026 Kia Camper 6X6800, a groundbreaking machine that combines raw power, futuristic design, matched utility to deliver an experience unlike any other. This new Generation 6 Camper is not just a vehicle, it's a mobile fortress engineered for adventure seekers, off-road travelers, and luxury enthusiasts who desire freedom without compromise. The 2026 Kia Camper 6X6800 marks a bold evolution in Kia's design philosophy, merging cutting-edge electric and hybrid technology with rugged off-road performance. Built on an advanced 6x6 chassis platform, this vehicle is designed to conquer any terrain with absolute stability and power. The commanding exterior showcases a muscular front profile with an illuminated Kia logo, high-intensity adaptive LED matrix headlights, and a wide panoramic windshield that enhances visibility. The body features a combination of carbon, fiber, reinforced panels, and lightweight aluminum to maintain structural rigidity, while keeping the overall weight optimized for efficiency. Under the hood, or more precisely beneath its rugged frame, lies the next Generation 800 horsepower hybrid electric powertrain that delivers seamless torque across all 6 wheels. 26 Kia Camper 6A100 offers 3 driving modes: Eco, Adventure, and Power Boost. In Power Boost mode, all 6 wheels are powered by dual electric motors combined with a high-efficiency turbocharged V6 engine, enabling the camper to reach speeds up to 200 km/h while maintaining superior traction on gravel, snow, and mud. Its advanced air suspension system automatically adjusts height and damping depending on terrain, ensuring smooth rides whether you're navigating rocky mountain roads or cruising on highways. Road capabilities of the 2026 Kia Camper 6X6800 are further enhanced by its intelligent torque distribution system. Each axle receives independent power control, ensuring no loss of traction even on uneven surfaces. With a ground clearance of over 15 inches and 35-inch all-terrain tires, this beast easily handles steep inclines, deep mud, and desert dunes. Underbody protection plates, skid guards, and reinforced bumpers make it practically indestructible in extreme conditions. Moving inside, 2026 Kia Camper 6X6800 transforms from an off-road giant to a luxurious 5-star mobile residence. The interior showcases the perfect balance between rugged adventure aesthetics and modern luxury. The cabin features premium vegan leather upholstery, ambient LED lighting with 64 color options, and a panoramic glass roof that opens up to breathtaking views of the sky. The dashboard is dominated by a massive 24-inch OLED infotainment display with AI voice assistance, real-time terrain scanning, and a 3D navigation interface designed specifically for off-grid exploration. The living space inside the camper is nothing short of extraordinary. 2026 Kia Camper 6X6800 comes equipped with a fully functional kitchenette featuring induction cooking, a smart refrigerator, and retractable countertops made from recycled bamboo composites. There's a convertible lounge area with reclining sofas that transform into a queen-sized bed, and the built-in climate control system ensures perfect temperature balance regardless of external weather. The smart energy system manages power usage from solar panels integrated into the roof, providing sustainable off-grid independence for days. At the rear, you'll find a compact yet highly luxurious bathroom unit with an eco-friendly shower, a smart water recycling system, and a heated toilet setup, all controlled through the vehicle's AI central hub. For entertainment, the camper includes a high-end surround sound system by Bose, a 55-inch retractable smart TV, and Wi-Fi connectivity powered by satellite link. The lighting, temperature, multimedia functions can all be controlled through a central touchscreen or via smartphone app, giving full control to the user even from outside the vehicle. When it comes to safety, 2026 Kia Camper 6X6800 is equipped with the most advanced suite of driver assistance and protection technologies. It includes adaptive cruise control with terrain detection, autonomous off-road navigation, 360-degree LiDAR cameras, night vision assistance, and auto emergency braking with pedestrian and animal detection. The built-in drone system, stored in the roof compartment, can launch automatically to survey the surroundings and provide aerial footage for navigation or security purposes. The design of the 2026 Kia Camper 6X6800 perfectly reflects its futuristic identity. Its rear module can extend outwards to increase living space when parked, offering an additional lounge or workspace area. The ambient exterior lighting and dynamic rear wing structure not only enhance aerodynamics, but also create an aggressive and distinctive road presence. Every detail, from the wheel arches to the LED tail strip, has been crafted to symbolize innovation and dominance. Fuel economy and sustainability were key focuses in its design. The hybrid, electric setup, and advanced regenerative braking system ensure optimal energy use. With solar panels generating supplementary power and the option for a fully electric mode, Camper supports eco-conscious travel without sacrificing performance. This aligns perfectly with the new global standards of sustainable mobility that Kia has embraced for 2026. Overall, 2026 Kia Camper 6X6800 stands as a symbol of freedom, power, and innovation. It's not just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle statement for those who dare to go beyond limits. Whether you're traversing deserts, exploring forests, or cruising coastal highways, this machine ensures you do it in ultimate comfort and luxury. If you love futuristic motorhomes, off-road campers, automotive innovations like the 2026 Kia Camper 6X6800, make sure to subscribe to ZK Sky Bound Aviation. Stay tuned for more detailed reviews, upcoming concept reveals, the most exclusive automotive experiences from around the world. Don't forget to hit the like button and turn on notifications so you never miss the next deep dive review.